Welcome to the world of phonics with blooming buds. Today we are going to learn all about the sound H. This is the letter H. It makes the sound H. Can you try saying it with me? H says H. Let's listen to the story of the sound H. Come along.
This is Helen. Helen lives in a house on the hill. It is a hot day, so Helen is wearing her hat. Helen likes to ride her horse. The horse likes to eat hay. The hen is hiding behind the hay. There is a helicopter above the hut. The hedgehog is near the pond. Hello, Hank. Hank is wearing a helmet. He has brought some ham. Helen is happy to see Hank. Bye, Helen. Bye, Hank.
What other words begin with the same sound? H. 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 Hippopotamus. H. H. Hammer. H. H. Heart. H. H. Hand. H. H. Hug. H. H. Hyena. H. H. Hummingbird. H. H. Hand. H. H. Heart. H. H. Hammer. Learning is smart. H. H. Hippo. H. H. Hug. H. H. Hummingbird. Warm and snug. H. H. Hyena. Laughs all day. The sound H is here to stay. Hooray! Hooray! Now can you think of other words that begin with the sound H? Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.